Windows 8. Yeah, I have.
That thing is weird, man. It's like made for a touch display. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's like for a touch display, and it's also for like desktop use at the same time.
Yeah, but I don't really see using the way the
Neither do
desktop
I.
is now with a mouse and keyboard, because
Like,
every review on it shows it with a touchscreen.
yeah, it's just gonna be weird. Like using the desktop on Windows 8 on a desktop computer,
Yeah,
and like
because
using the touchscreen widgets with your mouse. That's just gonna be pretty weird.
yeah, it's pretty much like trying to use an iPhone with a touch wheel thingy,
Yeah. To be
little
honest,
diagonal.
if they don't add much more features to the desktop, like the original desktop, if they don't add any more better features,
Yeah,
I will probably just end up sticking with 7.
I probably will too. But there was something I was reading about Windows 8.
But if Windows 8
They're
is
making a
faster,
new file system
oh
called
really?
Paragon or
Hmm.
something. I don't know anything about it, but I was reading
I've
on it.
also heard that Windows 8 is faster.
Uh,
Like their installer, it only installs Windows in like 8 minutes or 10,
really?
I'm not sure. Yeah.
Well, it's all on HTML5, most of it now, like the desktop overlay,
Yeah.
which is cool because then there's more apps for it to develop,
Mhm.
which uses less hard drive space too. But
Yeah, if you think about it, Windows 8 would be faster than 7 since Windows 8 is more targeted towards like tablets.
yeah,
Tablets don't have as much specs as desktops, you know?
yeah.
So I don't know. Hopefully it would be good on this computer.
I was like thinking about, I was like, man, I should get me a touchscreen computer when this comes out.
I know an HP TouchSmart PC would be so nice.
Not that, because it's all in one. I don't like all in one computers because you
Yeah,
can't
me
upgrade
neither,
it.
but yeah, or
You're
like
limited
what
on
if
what you
it
can upgrade.
breaks? What if it breaks? You can't really replace that part. It would be a
Yeah,
pain,
it's
but
like annoying. It's more to move around easily without wires, but
yeah. Yeah, it's nice having a computer without much wires, but you know, what if it overheats or what if a part breaks or what if you want to upgrade something? It's going to be a big pain in the ass.
yeah. But the worst thing is though, let's say the whole thing breaks, like the screen breaks, the computer's
You're
gone
screwed.
pretty much. Because
Yeah,
you
you're
could probably
screwed.
do it with an external display, but it
Yeah,
would just defeat the purpose of having a big blank screen there that's not
I know.
working.
Hopefully if that happens, it would still be in warranty.
Oh yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. Yeah, the Touch Smart's actually pretty nice. I've used one
Really?
many times in stores. Yeah.
I was looking at them on YouTube a while ago.
Yeah, they're pretty nice. They're
The
fast.
whole idea is nice, but
Yeah. It's like a touchscreen iMac.
yeah, that's what it is pretty much. It's just fatter, I think, a little bit more fatter.
A huge tablet
Yeah. The
meant for
only
like
bad thing about
desk
it
use.
is me, because I have a feel I'll just poke the screen up too much and break. My
Yeah.
finger will go right through the screen.
Yeah, people have told me that I should get an all-in-one computer, but I'm like, I don't know, because again, I worry about it breaking and all that.
Yeah.
But Windows 8 would be really nice on a touchscreen computer.
Oh yeah, it would.
It would make the HP TouchSmart computer like so much better than what it is now.
Oh yeah, with no doubt.
Yeah, because the touchscreen software in Windows 7 is just not that good.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I've used the TouchSmart in stores, but the software in Windows 7 for the touchscreen abilities is just crap.
Yeah, 'cause there's not much you can really do with a touchscreen on Windows 7 because you can't right-click, as far as I know.
Yeah, yeah, like when I was using it, I also wanted to use the mouse more than the touchscreen.
Yeah. I'm
Because
kind of a mouse person, like, because I do a lot of video editing,
mm-hmm.
and using a touchscreen to do that would probably be inaccurate for some things.
Yeah. So Does Ubuntu have good touchscreen abilities?
I think Gentoo does. I don't know about Ubuntu because I haven't seen anybody with a touchscreen with it.
Oh, really? I heard 10.04 was supposed to have better touchscreen support, but
Really?
I don't know. Well, 11.04.
Oh. Yeah, because that does look like it's more for a touchscreen with
Yeah.
the Unity interface on the side. So
God,
does
that would
GNOME
be.
3.
Yeah, that. Oh my God, that would be such a nice tablet.
Yeah, I think they're
Tablet.
making one of GNOME 3. I saw it on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah, it
A
was like,
tablet
it was
with.
a Fedora 15, I think it was.
Yeah.
It looked pretty cool.
Yeah, Fedora 15 is the first official distro to
Have GNOME 3
officially
support.
have, GNOME 3 on the live
Yeah.
CD. I think OpenSUSE has a version with GNOME 3, but it's not official.
I haven't used OpenSUSE in forever.
Really, I haven't used it in a while either.
Is it even good anymore? I used it like 4
Yeah,
years ago.
it's pretty nice.
I have to check it
But
out then. On a virtual machine or something like that.
I forgot why I left it. I'm not sure. There was something wrong. Something that was annoying.
Well, when I left it, I didn't know much about Linux. So I was trying to install like Windows applications. I was like, this is not working.
Yeah.
Delete.
The thing is with OpenSUSE though, they don't update as often as like Ubuntu does with every 6 months. I think OpenSUSE does every 8 months, I believe.
Well, every 6 months is a lot.
Yeah.
Most operating
that's-
systems do it every 2 to 3 years.
Yeah. Like I reinstall my operating systems quite a lot, but if I was one of those people that didn't want to reinstall it often, then Ubuntu would not be a good choice for me.
Well, the LTS would be a good choice,
Yeah.
which is updated every 2 years. So if you're on a server that doesn't need the latest cutting-edge software, then it's good. But
Yeah.
if you like having the latest cutting-edge surface software and everything, then either Arc would be awesome.
No, man, I have yet to try Arc.
I tried it, but it takes
I failed
forever
at
to set up.
installing it. It would be interesting to see it run on my netbook.
It would probably run smooth because your netbooks, I forgot
Yeah.
what it has, but
But I don't know if Arc has Wi-Fi support though.
it
should.
does. But when you first get it to install, you have to install it over a network, I believe. I mean, not a wireless network though. But
Yeah.
it does have it. It's kind of harder to get it set up at first because most of the software is done over the internet to install.
Yeah. Yeah, because I remember I tried installing it on this desktop, and I just decided to stop the installation because it was at the point where it wasn't recognizing my wireless internet
Really?
card. Yeah, and it wanted me to install the driver manually and all that crap. So I would have to go on another computer, put the driver on a flash drive, and somehow get it installed in Arch through the command line.
Yeah.
But no, that was a big pain.
Well, Arc is not made for somebody new to the whole command line of Linux.
Yeah.
Like if you're
Yeah,
used to
I-
Windows and you put Arch on, you're like, whoa. When you first boot it up,
Yeah.
there's no GUI. It's just sudo command right there to log in.
Yeah. Have you tried Arch Bang Linux?
I think I tried it once in a virtual machine, but can't remember.
Yeah, it's basically Arch Linux but with
A
Open
GUI or
box.
something. Yeah.
Yeah, it has OpenBox.
And it's easy
I
to
haven't
install,
tried
I
it.
think, too.
Yeah. It would be interesting to use, but I haven't really tried it yet.
I'll have to check it out eventually.
Yeah. Oh, so, what Linux distro have you been using the most?
Lately I've been using none, actually.
None.
I haven't used one in a long time.
I've been using X Ubuntu.
Really?
Yeah, XFCE is nice.
I thought like you just installed Ubuntu and then you switched to
No,
FXC.
no, I did a fresh installation.
Oh wow.
Dude, XFCE is pretty nice.
Really?
Yeah,
I was gonna use
I
it,
like
but it seemed like too plain for me.
it's like a better version of GNOME 2.
Hmm.
For me, it is. It's like GNOME 2, but with a control center.
Hmm.
I like it. It's fast.
I'll have to check it out then eventually.
Yeah, it's fast. It's clean. It's nice. Like with every release of XFCE,
Yeah.
they don't try to make it heavier, or they don't try to make it have noticeable changes. They
Yeah.
only make changes to like make it more. I don't know how to
Faster.
say it, but have more customization.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Well, it's made for older like systems.
Yeah.
Not
Have
made
you
for
tried,
higher end systems. Well, it is made for higher end systems, but
Yeah. What other Linux distros have you tried?
today I was trying to actually help my friend install Backtrack 5 or something. So I used that
Oh,
one
I've heard
today.
of that.
Yeah, it's like for hacking or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, I've seen on like hacking forums of people that use Backtrack.
Yeah. I was like, dude, this is not gonna work for you. You don't know how to boot from a CD.
I know.
But
Backtrack. I haven't tried that yet. Mm,
I don't know much about it. I just installed it really quickly to help me get through it.
Yeah. So you used OpenSUSE like way back?
I used it back when it was version 5, I think.
Oh my god.
I think it was OpenSUSE 5. Maybe.
That's so long ago.
Can't remember what it was. I think it was a limited edition or one. No, that was Mandrake. I don't know what it was.
Oh god.
I don't know. It was a long time ago. It was on like a DVD.
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't remember. I thought it was pretty cool because I could just put it in the computer and boot up and go on it.
Yeah. Do you like Magio Linux when you tried it out in the virtual machine?
It was alright. It
Yeah.
wasn't that big yet, so the support was kind of low, but
Yeah. It's pretty basic. Like, it's not heavy. It doesn't
yeah,
have that many programs.
I still like Ubuntu over all